Okay, so today I did this look, and I did this look using the MAC Interview Trio, and I thought I would never be able to get these colors right and make a look out of it because I tried it twice in the past and it was not good. But you know what? That's where you gotta play around with your makeup and you'll finally get it right. And I actually came up with this look yesterday when I was out with my best friend. We went to go eat and I'm like, I'm gonna try it again for the third time. Third time's the charm, and I did it and I love it. It's the dark blue with brown and like a bronzy shimmer. And I love this so much, and I think I'm gonna be able to use these colors again and maybe create a different look. But yeah, I hope you guys like it because I like it, and I'm actually very happy now because I thought I was going to have to give this away or not even use it anymore. So I'm very happy with this look that I came up with. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching my videos. Bye!
Boy meets girl, you were my dream, my world, but I was blind. Cheated on me from behind, so on my own I feel so all alone. Though I know it's true, I'm still in love with you. I need a miracle, I wanna be your girl. Give me a chance to see that you are made for me. I need a miracle, please let me be your girl. One day you'll see that you are made for me. I need a miracle, please let me be your girl. One day you'll see it can happen to me. I need a miracle, I wanna be your girl. Give me a chance to see that you are made for me. I need a miracle, please let me be your girl. One day you'll see it can happen to me. It can happen to me. Girl, you were my dream, my world, but